The first topic from the theory test is alertness. This refers to how alert a driver is whilst behind the wheel. The road can be an unpredictable place, so it's important that a driver does not get distracted. Adjusting the radio is one of the most common forms of distracted driving. Vehicle navigation systems can be useful when driving on unfamiliar routes. However, they can also distract you and cause you to lose control if you try to adjust them while driving. Using mobile phones can cause drivers to take their eyes off the road, their hands off the steering wheel, and their minds off the road and the surrounding situation. If you need to adjust any of these devices, park up in a convenient and safe place before adjusting them. If you're on the road for a long period of time, you'll need to take precautions to avoid feeling sleepy. Any lapses could be catastrophic. This means either winding your window down to let in a fresh supply of air, or taking a breather at the next available rest stop. If you're taking a road trip, or any long journey, plan your route and implement frequent rest stops to make sure you don't get too fatigued. It's also your responsibility to avoid things that can affect your concentration and reaction time on the road, such as alcohol and drugs. You should also be aware that some medications can negatively affect your ability to control your vehicle. You should use your side lights if you park at night on a road where the speed limit is greater than 30 miles per hour. Dipped lights are the brightest lights your car has that won't dazzle other road users. You should only use full beam headlights on unlit stretches of road at night. You should only use your fog lights when your visibility is reduced to 100 meters, 328 feet, or less, the equivalent of a football pitch. You may use your hazard warning lights if your vehicle is stationary to warn other road users that it is causing a temporary traffic obstruction.